Good afternoon, you guys. It's the day after I buried the forder in the mud up in the bush. I haven't made it back up there. We have a couple old horses, and we found one of them down this morning, and we managed to get her up, but her heart rate is incredibly high. It's normally around the 40s, and it's up in the mid 80s, so she's in a ton of pain and discomfort, and we had the veterinarian out, and they think it's best that we do the unfortunate job and put her down. She's, I don't know, 30 years old almost, and she's a Clydesdale. She lived a really long, hard life. So today, my project, I had to go pick up the backhoe again, and I'm gonna set you guys down where you can watch me figure out how to run it, because I've only run it the other time I buried another horse. So this is my second time operating a backhoe, and we're gonna see how my hole goes, and we'll go from there. So I'll put you down over here and let you guys watch.
you guys. Well, that took a while, but oh, there's water down in there. So that should be big enough. She's a big girl, but it's pretty deep. I'll put manure on top of her and push all this dirt back in and try and level it all out the best I can. And then if necessary, when the dozer comes in, the dozer parts come in, pardon me, I can come back and finish her up. So, alright, time to go visit with the vet. Alright guys, while I'm out here, I figure I'm going to show you this. This is the road to the back field where we got married, and as you can see, it's all overflown, and the reason for that, it's just pooling in there. The reason that that's happening is because we got some lovely beavers over here. Holy shit. Oh, that tree either blew down or the beavers have taken it down, one or the other. I'll show you the culvert in a minute. Let's go check out this tree. Oh no, it definitely uprooted. Great. And you can see all the water overflowing here. And that's because I've got a beaver problem that I'm going to have to deal with. This is the culvert. Comes out over here. And over here, these buggers have got it all clogged up in here. So I'm going to see if I can get some of this out of there while I'm back here. And try not to fall in while I'm at it.
was a metal grate in here, but I don't know what happened to it. Now I probably shouldn't do this because if it's going to be a dry summer, I could use all this water for the fields. So the water's flowing a little better there. See it flowing good there now. So hopefully that'll stop it from coming over the road so much. But I got a plan for in here. We're gonna take out all these trees, especially those ones now that they've come over. Take out all these trees, dig all this out, and put a whole bunch of the rocks. I should really buy a rock truck and an excavator. My wife would kill me. But anyways, from up there where it overflows the first time, we're gonna put a culvert in right across there. All sorts of rock. Put a bigger culvert in this section here. I guess this section here, I should say. And build this up and around the corner. And you know, build my own sort of dam, because this is not working out. So that's a summer project. Hopefully I'll get to it this year, and because it's a pain in the butt to get back here with horses, because that's one of our best fields back there, and it's coming in real nice. So it'd be nice to be able to get horses back here sooner than later. But with all these trees down and all this water, as soon as I start driving the tractor over it, I'll be making huge mud tracks. So the water will always find a way, it seems, but it's pretty deep here. It's almost over the top of my boot. Not the top of my boot, the top of my foot, I should say. I don't want to walk underneath that tree. With my luck, it'll be come down on top of me. So yeah, that's another farm project that needs to be taken care of. All right, we got work to do.